Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Today, I am going to tell you about my biography. It's so sorrows, related to sorrows, and maybe you will feel grief if you will listen, and maybe I'll be also in sadness when I'll tell you about my biography. My dear students, when I had started to study, I was 5 and 6 years old. There was many problems in my life. First problem I want to tell you today, when 1992, it was the time 1992, there was many problem in my life because that one time my father has expired. When I started to go to the school was more than 6 and 7 kilometers from my houses, and I had no any plans to go there only. But I was going to school every day, and I was going to school every day on foot. And do you understand that one time what was the problem then? I had no any place, and however I was going to the classes every day. Then when like that I completed my middle school, then I went to high school. High school was more than 13 and 14 kilometers. There was also no, I don't had. There was also, I didn't had any place to go there only. Then there also I was going to school on foot. Then like this I passed out the matriculation examination. When I entered the classes in the 11, then I came to the grading. And I came to the grading, there was many problem also because my backseat was not good. My backseat was not good. My family background was very sadness. There was happening many problems in my life, my mother's life, my family's life. But that one time I understand what I have to do. What I have to do, then I may save my family, I may earn some money, and I'll manage my family. Then I started to learn the spoken English because I thought that spoken English is so important language. If I have and if I learn the spoken English, maybe I'll make understand somebody, and maybe my backseat will be okay. Then I started to learn spoken English. It was 2006 and 7, I think. 2006 and 7, there was many problem I have faces. I had faces many problems in my life, but now I can make you understand that what is happening with the life, why the people are coming to classes, why the people are getting the education. When education is, if you want to do in your life something different from the other guys, then you have to do something different. Then I chose that in spoken English. I chose the spoken English. If I learn the English language, then maybe I will be a good position in somebody's, and I may make you understand. Make you that people like that. I can make understand your people like that. And because of this, I can get some money. I can get some money, but I didn't have the knowledge how to get the English language, how to learn the spoken English, how to speak English, and where I have to go, where I have to learn. Then I had unable to understand. I was unable to understand what I have to do in my life. But gradually, you may say and you may understand that if you want to do something, then maybe God will give you the desire, and according to desire you can do the work, and you can be a good man in your life. There are happening many problems in the human being life. Then you have to break but not bend. One thing you have to understand only, you have to break but not bend. If you will do like that, then some days will come like that. Then your language, your life, and your value will be in dominant position in your society. And if you will get a good position in the societies, then maybe one day you will be good person, you will be top dog in the world. Then now, actually, the language we have come here only to learn is spoken English. Then whatever we have to understand what is the main point of the English language. Why we are going to learn spoken English? What is the main value of the English language? If I will learn the spoken English, then which type of profit we will get in our life? But if you are understanding them, and then if you are not understanding, then it will be useless. It will be useless. Your time will be waste. Your money will be waste. And if you will understand, if I will learn the spoken English, and if I will go somewhere to get the job, either it is government or the private. In private sector, you will see, then private sector mostly demand the English language. Mostly demand the English language, and if you don't have the English language, then maybe nobody will give you any job. Nobody will give you any job. Then that is the main problem. We have to do the work by heart. I think if you want to do something, in your life, then first of all you have to bring burning desire. You have to bring the burning desire. If you don't have the burning desire, then you cannot get anything in your life. You cannot get anything in your life. That is main problem. We are not able to do the work. We are not able to get any job. We are not able to get any knowledge. This is the main problem. First of all, we have to understand what I am going to do. It will be profitable for me or not. If you are understanding whatever work I am doing in my life, it will be profitable for in my life, then you can do the work properly. And if you will do the work properly, then you will get your knowledge. And if you will get the knowledge, then you can do everything in your life. Now, I am going to tell you how the people are becoming the good person, how the people are getting so much money, how the people are getting so much knowledge. Now, you may understand there are many type of knowledge you can get in your life. There are many type of knowledge you can get. But what is the main knowledge? What is the main knowledge? What the knowledge you have to get, you have to understand. Now, we are living in the digital India. We are living in the digital India. In digital India, two things you have to need. Two things. What? One thing is English language and second is the computer education. It means technical education you have to get in your life. If you don't have the technical education, then you cannot get anything in your life. Then how many people, how many students are doing the work according to M? You don't have the M now, also you don't have the M, then how can it be possible you can get anything? Then you have to make your M. What? You have to choose the M. What is my M? What will be my M? According to M, I have to do the work. But that is the main problem. Now also you don't have anything. Now you are unable to understand the English language. Now you are unable to understand what I have to do in my life. Then I can get the good job, I can get good knowledge, I can save my country, I can save my family. That is the main problem. We are going to class, we are spending our time, money. It is just not better. Whatever you are doing, whatever you have to do in your life, then it should be properly. And if you will do the work improperly, then one day will come, the success will touch your feet. I want to tell you a story. I think 2 and 3 days before I had seen this one. It was related to the movie. You may see Jai. If you will get the chance, then you have to see the Jai. Why the Jai has been made. In Jai movie, the story has been given that it is ancient incident. It was 1995. There was South India, and in South India people, you may understand the ST people, has been tortured so much. And then because of that, the people, what will I say, upper caste people are tortured so much, the below caste people. It means what? It means they have studied the constitution, and you have to study also constitution as much as much your study degrees courses is necessary, that much also constitution study is necessary. If you have the good knowledge about the constitution, what is your right, what you have to do. If somebody is doing bad work with you, then you have to understand what will be here and in which article I have to fight with this. Then one thing I have to understand, one thing we have to understand, it must I need the degree courses. As much I need the degree courses study, that much also we need constitution study. If you have the good knowledge about the constitution, Indian constitution, then you can fight anywhere. You can fight anywhere. And if you will fight anywhere, then sure you will win your situation. You will be a good. You can phrase. You can do everything. But we are unable to understand what is the constitution. We don't have the knowledge about the constitution. And I want to give the thanks, many thanks to the Surya, the actor of the Jai Bhim, who has role advocate. It's a very important movie, and you have to see also. And all the member of Jai Bhim's actor and actors, would like to thanks again, and especially thanks to Surya, who has role for the advocate. Then I think every day you have to make anything different from the other guys. Every day, whenever you are getting up, then you have to do something. You have to understand something. You have to think something. What I have to do today? What is going on? What is going on in my life? What I have to do, then I will be a good person. Who wants to be a good person? Everybody wants to be a good person, no? Then if you will be a good person, then what you have to do? You have to do something different from the other guys. From the other guys, you have to do something different from the other guys. If you will not do different from the other guys, then how can it be possible you will become the good person? To become the good person, you have to do something different, I think, and now I am making you understand. It will be better for you and your life, I think. And if you will start to work according to your mind, according to your situation, then one day will come, you will get success in your life. You will get success in your life. Recently, we are learning the spoken English. Then how to learn spoken English? First of all, we have to find out the reason. Why I am not able to speak English? Why the people are going to speak English 110% fluent language, they are speaking out? Why we are not able to? That is main problem. Unless we will not understand what is the main problem, why I am not able to speak English, why I am not understanding the English language, why I am getting the fumble whenever I am speaking out the English language, till that you cannot do anything in your life. Till that, until you will not understand what is my minus point, what is the reason now I am not able to speak English, till that you cannot do anything. Then first of all, you have to find out what is your minus point, what is your weak point in your life. What is the weak point in your life? If you will understand weak point, then automatically you can do. Automatically you can do. Surely I am saying to you, when I was learning English, there was no any chance. There was no any chance. I was thinking, I cannot speak English, I cannot learn to speak English because I am belonging to rural area. Because I am belonging to rural area, rural areas people are unable to understand in very good in Hindi language, then how can it be possible they can understand English language? But it was my wrong thinking. It was my wrong thinking. What is wrong thinking? Whatever people are made by God, God has given equal IQ. God has given equal opportunity. God has given equal times. If a good speaker has got a 24 hours time, then we have also got the 24 hours time. Then within the 24 hours time, they have done different work from the other, and we are doing the work similar to the other guys. We are aping. We are not going to do the different work. We are aping from the other guys. But I am saying to you, don't ape. Don't ape anything. Don't make the duplicate. You have to make You have to make your life. You have to choose the life like that. Then you can do. There is many options. There are many points you can understand. You can do. You can get the knowledge. You can get anything in your life. But one thing I have already told you. Then you have to understand what I have to do. Then it will be better for me and my family. Everybody wants to earn the money. Yes or no? Everybody wants to get knowledge properly, yes or no?
Yes.
Everybody wants to live the standard life, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then how can it be possible you can be a good speaker, you can be a good person, you can live the standard life? Because of knowledge. Because of knowledge. If you will get the knowledge, properly knowledge, 110% knowledge, then everything will come on your feet. Everything. I am not telling you one and two things. Everything, whatever you will do in your life, everything will be properly according to me. Whatever I have till now, I have got. That is the main problem. Why we are not able to speak English? Why we are not able to go anywhere? Why we are not able to understand the English language and another thing? That is the main problem. Main point is there is, first of all, we are bringing back. First of all, we are bringing back ourselves. Sorry, I cannot do this. Sorry, I cannot do that. Sorry, I cannot speak English. Sorry, I cannot good job. I cannot get a good job. That is the main problem. That is the main problem. We are being back on self, myself, ourselves. And if you will do like that, then how can it be possible? If you will do like that, then how can it be possible you can get through? How can we be a good discuss? How can we be a top dog? Everybody wants to become a top dog. Then how can it be possible to become a top dog? Then you have to do the different work. No need to copy from the other guys. No need to get anything. What they have to do like that, then I have to do like that. No. If you have to do like that, then I have to do that. That one. That one will be different. Whatever I will do in my life, it will be different from the other guys. I will not add. I will not duplicate from the other guys. I have to make my way on self. I will make my way on self. I will do the work myself. I will go anywhere. I will not depend on any guys. I have to do the work myself. And if you will do the work yourself, then one day will come, then you can do properly, in proper level. In proper level. Are you getting my knowledge? Whatever I am giving you, are you understanding my knowledge?
Yes, sir.
That is one problem. You have to do according to your mind. You have to do according to your choice. You have to do according to your situation. You have to do according to your work. What is necessary, what is important for you. What is important for you. If you will understand what is important for me, then you will start the work in properly way. And one thing you have to understand, beginning is half done. Beginning is half done. If you are starting to do something, then whenever you will start. It will be, you have to understand, it will be, I have done half work. Then if you will do like that, then one day it will come and your language, your position, your knowledge and your life will be a standard, will be okay, will be dominance. People will ask you, people will give you value so much. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And this is the main point I would like to say again. You have to do the work according to you, whatever your understanding will be, like that you have to start the work, then one day will come and you will be a good person in your life. People will ask you, people will give you value and people will praise you. Thank you very much all of you. Next, happy Chhath Puja all of you, and you have to enjoy yourself and you have to praise to the God. We will be well and our wealth will be very good and so much we will enjoy our life. Thank you very much once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.